Mike, I love lasagna, but I don't know the recipe. Anything you know about it?
Quick lasagna recipe ingredients: meat sauce, ground beef, crushed tomatoes, tomato paste, onion, garlic, basil, oregano, olive oil. Cheese mixture: ricotta, mozzarella, Parmesan, egg, parsley. Noodles: lasagna noodles. Topping: mozzarella, Parmesan. Steps: 1. Make the sauce. Brown beef with onion and garlic. Add tomatoes, paste, and seasoning. Simmer 20 to 30 minutes. 2. Cook noodles. Boil until al dente. Drain and set aside. 3. Mix cheese. Combine ricotta, mozzarella, Parmesan, egg, parsley, salt, and pepper. 4. Assemble. Layer sauce, noodles, cheese mixture in a 9x13 dish. Repeat 3 times. Top with mozzarella and Parmesan. 5. Bake. Cover with foil and bake at 305 degrees for 25 minutes. Remove foil and bake another 20 minutes. 6. Rest and serve. Let the lasagna rest for 10 to 15 minutes before slicing. This helps it set and makes serving easier. Enjoy.